Starting around 06 October 2023, Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is exchanging at $229.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. BCH certainly has a for the most part complete market cap of $4,473,915,719, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $146,268,460 in a significant manner. This generally makes Bitcoin Cash, BCH, by and large positioning at 17 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Cash by and large be genuinely worth in 2023, which basically is very critical. Is Bitcoin Cash an excellent speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? Will BCH cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, or so they for the most part thought? These especially are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Cash figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost in a real sense is supposed to for the most part cross a really normal value level of $259.46, the normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin Cash, toward the finish of the all things considered, current year ought to generally be $248.26. Which sort of is very critical. Besides, BCH can all things considered arrive at in every practical sense greatest value level of $285.43, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost generally is estimate to by and large arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $214.92, which really is genuinely critical. The BCH cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $241.78, with the typical expected cost around $235.06, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost in a real sense is estimate to basically arrive at a sort of the least cost of $228.57. The BCH cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $253.53, with the typical expected cost around $239.77, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin Cash, BCH, cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at a very least worth of $235.61, while the especially greatest gauge cost generally is around $263.12 in a really significant manner. The really normal cost for BCH for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach $244.56 in October 2023, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could basically stretch around $275.35 in a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 is $242.94 with an exceptionally normal cost of $251.90, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin Cash value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the very most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could truly stretch around $285.43, or so they especially thought. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 generally is $248.26 with a typical cost of $259.46, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash commonly passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been really diminished by 1.73% in its essentially current worth, which sort of is genuinely critical. Assuming we look at the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap especially is likewise down, so besides BCH can essentially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $285.43, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin Cash generally is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, showing that Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost in a real sense is figure 2 for the most part arrive at a least cost of $228.57 in an especially large manner. The BCH in a real sense is down to nearly 1.64% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how in every way that really matters is Bitcoin Cash, an essentially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, which explicitly is very huge. Notwithstanding, after the looking at the in every practical sense, current cost with sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it is seen that Bitcoin Cash really has expanded 41.248% in its worth, which generally is genuinely huge. The truly normal most certainly least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while greatest fundamentally normal cost explicitly was $134.63, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This suggests that this coin certainly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to exceptionally arrangement of coins for especially long haul, showing how Bitcoin Cash extremely past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has been in every practical sense diminished by 1.73% in its certainly current worth in a fundamentally huge manner. The 90 days cost change certainly is around 42.48%. And the cost commonly coursed from a base in every practical sense, normal cost of $125.38 to truly most extreme most certainly normal cost of $134.83 in the by and large beyond 90 days. Exceptionally further appearance how starting around 06 October 2023 Bitcoin Cash really is exchanging at $229.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very critical. In sort of most recent 4 months Bitcoin Cash especially has shown a developing pattern in a truly significant manner. Consequently, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period in a truly significant manner. As indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash essentially is expanded from 4 months, which truly is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, showing how especially is Bitcoin Cash a sort of wise speculation, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner.